Hey everyone, good morning. In this video, we will cover how to import advanced vehicle into a simple sample project. Okay, so let's name this project, say testing advanced vehicle. Create the project. Now, why I have included this video is because I have seen recently that many of the imports of starter content or for the vehicle starter pack has recently been shown as blueprint error, that the parent blueprint is not imported properly. So once you have the starter content, now this is a simple, this is a very basic template. What I can do here is I'm going to go add feature or content pack, add a vehicle content pack, add to project, and you can see that within the vehicle template, if I open the blueprints, you can see you will be facing such an issue. Blueprint could not be loaded because it derives from an invalid class. Okay, so if you keep going with this, you can see that the viewport, the event graph, and the functions associated with this particular vehicle blueprint will not be available. You can see that in this blueprint, the vehicle movement component is missing and the viewport itself is not available. The event graph has the data, but most of them are missing. So how do we fix this? It's pretty simple. You can go here to the project settings. You can check for the inputs whether everything is mapped correctly upon the input. Yes, all good. So what we do is we go into the plugins. We add two separate details here. So one is chaos vehicle. So you can see the chaos vehicle plugin is not enabled. So you enable that and you can restart. Apart from that, also include enhanced input and enable that. Now if you restart your project, you can get back into the blueprint, double click it, and now you can see that the component is available back. Now you can just drag and drop your vehicle into the scene. Okay, and make sure in the world settings you override the game settings to vehicle advanced mode, and it's a sports car pawn. I'm going to make it the chaos vehicle pawn blueprint, and let's click on play, and now you can see you are all good to go with the play. Now you can extend this, you can just make sure that you can actually work with the sports car module as well. So go into the sports car, you can place a pawn here and just change it to sports car pawn, click on play, and now, okay, that was because we have a player start here. I'm going to remove the player start. I'm going to select the pawn, make sure it's player 0 on play. Now you can see even the sports car vehicle is included properly. So it's all about the plugin. Make sure you always enable the plugin. That's it. And in some cases, if you don't find it still working, make sure in the input. So I have talked about this in a different video. So you can go to the input and make sure that the player input, instead of the player input, you have the enhanced player input. This makes it work. So for more information on this, you can just go through the other video that I have made a couple of weeks back. Okay, so with that, that's all. Thanks, guys. Bye.